In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss on your options positions using the Robinhood platform. Whether you're looking to protect your investment from big losses or just want to automate your exit strategy, setting a stop loss is an essential skill for anyone trading options. So let's get started together and walk through each step in detail. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Robinhood website. You'll need to log in to your account using your usual credentials. Be sure you're logged in before you continue, as you won't be able to view your portfolio or trades otherwise. Once you're logged in, take a look at the right-hand menu on the Robinhood dashboard. Here, click on the section labeled Portfolio. This will bring up an overview of all your current holdings, including any open options positions you might have. This is where you'll find the option contracts you want to manage. Next, scan through your portfolio and select the specific options position you wish to set a stop loss for. Click on the position and you'll be brought to a detailed view of that contract, showing all the relevant information such as price, expiration date, and performance. On this screen, look for the Trade button and click it. From the options that appear, choose Sell. Since your goal here is to exit the position if certain conditions are met, you'll want to select Sell to close. This tells Robinhood that you're looking to close out your existing options contract, not open a new one. When you proceed, you'll need to specify the order type. By default, this might be set to a market order, but we want to use a limit order to have more control over the sale price. So under order type, switch from market order to limit order. Limit orders give you control by allowing you to set your own price parameters. To fine-tune your stop loss, you'll need to access the advanced order settings. Look for the gear icon labeled Advanced Options and click on it. This will let you enable a stop limit order, which is the most effective way to automate your stop loss. Now, enter your desired stop price. This is the price at which you want the stop order to trigger. You'll also need to set your limit price, which is the lowest price you're willing to accept for your option once the stop is triggered. It's important to choose values that reflect your risk tolerance and your understanding of the option's movement. Leave a small buffer between your stop and limit prices to help ensure your order fills, especially in fast-moving markets. Take a moment to carefully review all of your order details before placing the order. Double-check your stop and limit prices, as well as the quantity and contract details, to make sure everything is correct. Finally, when you're confident everything is set up properly, click the review button and then submit your order. Robinhood will now monitor your option for you, and if your stop price is hit, your limit order will go into action. And that's it. You've successfully set a stop loss for your options position in Robinhood. Remember, using stop losses is a smart way to help manage your risk and apply disciplined trading strategies. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more investing tips.